Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the Deerma DX700 vacuum cleaner from Xiaomi. This is a very low cost vacuum cleaner coming in at around 35 to 45 euros on average online. Looking inside the box, the first thing that we find is the floor attachment. White ABS plastic with a 360-degree rotating neck and 4 solid plastic wheels on the bottom. It's clearly designed more with hard floors in mind than carpets. Also in the box are a couple of attachments. There's a brush attachment for things like curtains and upholstery, and a crevice tool for getting into small spaces. Next we have the vacuum cleaner itself. It's a very clean modern design with a bright white finish. There's a grey Deerma logo on the body and a Deerma Cyclo filter logo above the dustbin. Next is the tube, which, when connected to the body, gives the cleaner a total length of about 112 centimeters or just under 4 feet, which should make it comfortable enough for most people to clean the floor without having to bend over. Finally, there's a warranty card and a user manual with instructions for using the cleaner and changing the filters. The bin can be removed by pressing in a spring-loaded button here on the end. Under the dustbin we find a foam filter here at the air outtake, which can be removed and washed. The bin holds a maximum of 0.8 litres. The main filter assembly is removed by pulling up on this handle, and it's also washable. The power button can be found here at the end. It's a sliding switch, so not something that you could press accidentally. The mains cable is 4.5 meters long, which should be enough for the majority of small to medium rooms. If you have a larger room, then you may have to switch sockets. Now let's take a look at how it performs. It moves very smoothly over hard floors like wood or tiles and picks up everything that it rolls over. On carpet though, it's not so great. Suction is still very good, but it doesn't roll particularly smoothly and it has a tendency to get stuck on edges. When using it as a handheld with one of the 2 included tools, it's very light and comfortable to use, and great for cleaning work surfaces or getting into tight areas. Overall, this is a very good vacuum cleaner for those on a tight budget. The washable filters mean that running costs are low, it's light and it has powerful suction. The filter system is very good, so dust isn't making its way back out of the vacuum into your home, and the removable tube also means that it's easy to store. It would be very difficult to find another vacuum cleaner this good in this price bracket. That's it for this video, thanks for watching.